Yo guys, it's Dan. Welcome back to a new vlog, and this is
Jax.
And back in the day of the life of a vlogger. Wait, my head's not in the frame properly. So guys, so us boys, come on. It's really cold down in Australia, so we have to be wearing jackets because it is cold, cold, cold.
Yeah.
Hey, Jax, just hold it like that for a second.
Okay.
Keep your finger away from the camera, dude. So guys, I'll do the same for Jax. He's gonna go put on some socks. Yeah. Just leave down comments below, like, for example, what you want us to do on our next vlog. I post every second day, and then we do the actual get-together vlog with Jax, like every twice a week. Yeah, twice a week?
Yeah.
Once,
kinda.
yeah, once every 2 weeks. So, as you know, I haven't been recently posting because I haven't seen Jax in a while and I haven't been able to be in contact with Jax to come up with some content ideas. But, like, I hope this channel can grow extremely big. And the first pocket donation we're going to donate it to charity to help the homeless and stuff. Okay, so what are you gonna do? Go put some socks on. Your bare feet. Go put some socks on.
Why? We're at our house.
We're going for a scooter ride. Yes, you did hear us. Yeah, this boy's putting on some sandals. Go put some sandals on. Are they downstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go put on my blue Skechers. Shout out to the song Skechers, by the way. That's actually kind of a good song. Where are you going? We're just filming a vlog. Okay. There is a bike here, but it's all rusted. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Just gonna put you down right there. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, guys. Like, me to you, like, what should I do as a content idea? Because, like, I'm the one normally with the channel login. So, like, Jax always forgets the channel login and doesn't know what it is, basically. Because it's, like, basically my channel. But, like, Jax is setting up a channel, like, you like Jax. But, like, if this channel could at least reach 150, that would be extremely good. Because, like that's a dream of mine. But Jax, don't look further the camera yet. Like, let's talk to them about how we want to succeed in this YouTube.
I accidentally, touched it.
Touched what?
The camera was like,
okay, so what me and Jax do is we're not, like, trying to use YouTube as a job.
just some sad money.
Nah, like, because most people can't make money off YouTube. So, like, we're just doing it for fun. And, like, just like all
And to
the...
entertain you guys.
And to entertain, like, because me and Jax is really funny, and I'm, like, the broad's basically Jax is the, funny. Is that how the saying goes, or? Australia's got a different saying, I'm pretty sure.
I'm gonna get my scooter.
Okay, you go get your scooter. Okay, let's grab my scooter. You guys might know this or may not know this from my TikToks. Oh my gosh, it's raining. Okay guys, it's raining. Here, let me just put this on. I am ready. Okay. Holy crap guys, it's actually raining heavy. Well, not heavy, but it's spitting. Okay guys, let's try get to some cover. So then we can talk and do our Q&A. Okay, let's do it right next to this Porsche. Okay guys, so like the truth is that me and Josh are gonna try and work the channel up a bit. So if I don't post twice a day. It's maybe because I'm at school, but I will be posting regularly in the afternoons. But if I don't, well, that means I'm on the phone to Jax. I'm trying to get the good content ideas. Wait, this boy don't have a jumper on.
I don't feel the color. Really.
That's actual. Wait, Jax, have you got money?
Yeah?
Okay, have you got coins or anything right on you at this moment?
No.
Have you got them at your house? I was going to say we could buy the... Oh, wait, no, they've got the Pie Face game there for free, don't they? Let's go buy an ice cream.
Oh.
Let's show them the store that you've got in front of out of your unit block.
Oh yeah, and because it's like, because the ice creams are kind of getting freezing and have a bit of ice on them, that's for free. But yeah, I got one for free.
Okay, guys, let's go get the money.
Yeah, let's just get it in case.
Let's just get it in case they don't give it to us for free.
It's kind of raining, so
We're gonna have to speed over there, but luckily there's two ways. You've got that way, then you've got the back way that you come in at. We're going down that way. You, Jax, have you got the pin? Have you got the pin for to get back into the complex? Okay, guys. Leave it down in the comments because Jax was before we started the video. We were just chilling out because I'm at his house for a little bit today. Yeah, and so what Jax also said is, he said it as a joke, but like guys, I'm gonna try and take this a bit serious. Leave down in comments below what I should nickname him and what I should dare him to do, because he's a daredevil and I'm a daredevil. We'll both do any of your guys' dares. If it is trying to chug a whole glass of lemon juice, we'll do it. If it is the most grossest smoothie in the world, we'll do it. We'll do anything like that. We will go swim out into the middle of the ocean. I'll buy an underwater GoPro just for it, so we can do it. So, guys, like, you just gotta let us know what we can do, because if you give us info, we can do it. Like, we need the comments so we can do it. Like, I'm not asking for much. I'm just asking for what you should. Is that enough to maybe get 2 ice creams if you have to?
I don't really feel like one, so you can have one.
Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, guys, Jax is over there. Come on, Jax, you're part of the vlog too, you realise? I'm not the main character. None of us are the main character. We're both the main character.
I mean, you're the one who edits.
I edit it, I vlog it. We're both main characters, Jax. This way. No, that way. How? Oh, the pin, yeah. Okay. Jax has got an electrocutor. That would be actually harder to ride than this. I was going to say it would have been easier.
It's kind of broken right side.
Yeah. So you guys, some of you were talking to me on TikTok about how long have I known Jax for? This year it would be 5 years of knowing Jax. We've been like, as soon as we saw each other, I was like, I think I'm gonna be best friends with this boy. Then nearly 4.5 years later, me and Jax are best friends. Like best friends.
Yeah, we still keep in contact.
Yeah, like, we're not just friends, like best friends. We're like best friends. Like, we don't keep secrets from each other. Like, we always call each other up if something is wrong. Okay, guys. I can't show, Oh. Okay, we're only last scooters here. Okay, guys, we're gonna be low key. Ready?
No, they're for free because they're like got some ice on them, but you just need to lick it off.
Are you sure we don't have to pay for them? That's okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay. Guys, they were really nice. They just gave me a free Magnum. Look.
We got free ice cream, boys. I told you it was for free.
Yeah. Okay, guys, let's go head over to the skate park. Dude, I can't believe we just... So basically, Jax has got free access to all of this.
Yeah.
I don't live here.
Every day I can go down there.
Yeah, every day he can just go and get an ice cream whenever he wants. It's wicked. No, Jax, this way. We're going down there to the skate park.
But
Just sit there and chill. That'd be dope, right?
yeah, but like, my mom doesn't even know where we are.
I've got your mum's phone number. Okay, we're gonna cross up. Oh, we're crossing here?
My foot is blue color.
Okay, guys. Okay, we're going.
I love how you started running with your feet on my shoulder and you started fighting.
Okay, guys. I can't believe we just got a free ice cream. Like, guys, I film on iPhone. I can't pause and add and drag clips. Like, they actually get us free ice cream. Jack, show them the money that you brought. Look, he's still got the money. That's the... Like, guys, let's watch... Like, I'm going to watch the video back.
Oh no, it's closed.
Okay, guys. In Australia, the skate parks are opened again.
Oh, what is that? That looks like the vibe check guy.
Okay, guys, we're not allowed to say that. So me and Jax are just gonna sit and chill for a little. Well, Jax, here, you entertain them. Hold the camera like that and just talk to them.
Hello, you.
I look like you do a real press flip camera.
Yeah, I know how to do it.
Okay, guys, look. I didn't bring any money. I don't normally bring money to friends' houses.
Yeah, so we got free ice cream.
Holy cow, it's actually good.
Free ice cream, bro. Like, that's
Best
insane. Just,
Point the camera up there.
yeah.
Okay. Go do some tricks.
It's a good day when you get free ice cream. I
Yep.
got a chocolate ice cream like 2 days ago.
Everyone on my TikTok page, I've been asking if you can do tricks on a scooter. You want to do something?
No, I can't.
Just ride up that ramp or something. Do a drift.
The only really thing I know how to do is jump on the scooter.
Oh well.
I went around. The only really I know how to do is this. That's like easy baby stuff.
Let me hold the camera properly. Hey,
You?
yeah,
Mine's just bad.
I don't know what my tree is called. Okay, guys. As Jack said, I want to know, is it legal for me to say vibe that? Because, like, if it's not, I don't want to get in trouble from YouTube. All the people that make it. Hey, Jax.
Yeah?
What are the odds, if this video reaches, I don't know, 5 likes, we'll go down into that forest. You agree on it?
Sure.
Okay.
Not like a lot.
Oh no, we're going a lot in.
What? No.
Video reaches 6 likes, we'll go all the way in.
Not 10 likes. 10 likes?
I don't have 10, we don't have 10 subscribers yet.
Yes. So what? So they're gonna have to pull something out.
Yeah, yeah. 10 subscribers, we'll go all the way in. We'll bring knife.
I need,
Oh no,
I need
we won't.
10
We'll bring a
likes
stick.
in the first 24 hours. Oh, I'm not doing that.
Jax, what happened to your pachang pachang?
What?
Hey guys, this is a joke.
I'm talking about the birds and bees.
What?
The birds and bees.
What was this man saying?
I can't say the word because it's YouTube. Demonetization. Look at me. You're beautiful.
Okay, guys. Okay.
We don't have a waterproof camera, so sorry that we couldn't like film going into.
Oh no! I'm gonna buy a waterproof GoPro and we're gonna go into the middle of the ocean.
In the pool.
Ocean.
Oh.
Oh, by the way, I told them. Actually, you can watch the video and find out. Because I said something while you went inside to get the change.
What? Oh, that's a nice car. But like, why have black strips when you've got a fully like?
Excuse me? That's beautiful. I like the colours of it.
Yeah, but like, it's kind of hard to see the black line.
No, it's not.
Like, make them like red. That would look better in my opinion.
Guys, come down in a section if he's crazy.
Hey, I ain't crazy. I'm retarded.
Can't say that.
Why?
Demonetization.
Yeah, but like, I'm just calling myself it. Not like I'm calling anything else.
Well, what are we going to call the video?
Huh?
What are we going to call the video? Vlog what?
Getting 50 Fortnite wins in a row. Not clickbait. Hashtag 50 kills
You guys ready?
each game.
Set.
What?
I'm pushing him down.
Oh.
Go down there.
Why don't you like scooter around and I can hold it?
Okay.
Let me just put scooter down.
Ready? Don't click that button there. Don't click it.
Yeah, I know. That stops it from recording.
We're doing a 30-minute video.
Do a flip!
Come do one.
You okay? Yeah, I got that.
Holy crap. Holy crap.
Did you guys see that? He fell. Oh, that was not good. You okay? You on a round 2? Okay, let's go. Yeah, so be careful. It's just water everywhere. Where? Do a flip.
Okay. Oh.
Oops. We've been recording for 18 minutes now.
Record on the ground, like me.
Okay. Oh,
Dang it.
I'm still waiting for you to do a flip. Adane, your battery's on 20%. I put it on low battery life.
Okay.
So we might have to cut it short.
Nah, I'm determined.
I put it on low battery.
Okay. Follow me. Look, guys, we're gonna show you like the beachfront.
Yeah.
Oh, booba. Yeah. Shout out to Laserbeam, big time though.
Yeah, I love it.
he, in my opinion, would have to be the best YouTuber, like him and Memulus. No, yeah, Delirious, yeah. No, dude, come on. We're going down this way. I was going to cross over right there. Jax, I feel like you have to come to my house soon. I feel like you have to come to my house soon. I'll record a video there. Okay, guys, Jax, come here. Okay, guys, sorry about we couldn't do a 30-minute vlog. Because I don't think you guys wanted to waste your time. So it's been Dane. And
Jax.
we'll see you next time. Peace.